In today's video, we're diving into MatchPoint, the new AI software that's creating a lot of buzz. And if you're looking to find out whether this tool lives up to the hype, you're in the right place. I'll break down 7 crucial things you need to know about MatchPoint, so stay tuned, because by the end, you'll know if it's right for you. Right off the bat, one of the most exciting things about MatchPoint is its ability to streamline communication and collaboration. It leverages AI to help users automate tasks that would typically require multiple tools. Whether you're a marketer, business owner, or in sales, MatchPoint positions itself as an all-in-one AI-driven solution designed to boost efficiency, saving you both time and effort. Now, what really sets MatchPoint apart is its user interface. When you first log in, you're greeted with a clean, intuitive design that makes it easy to navigate through its features. If you're used to clunky, complicated tools, MatchPoint is a breath of fresh air. The layout is simple enough for beginners, yet robust enough for experienced users looking for advanced functionality. One of the key highlights of MatchPoint is its powerful automation. It offers features like automated outreach, lead nurturing, and content management. With just a few clicks, you can set up workflows that previously would have taken hours of manual work. The AI learns from your actions, adapting to your workflow, and over time, it becomes more efficient, cutting down even more time from your daily routine. Another standout feature is the integration capability. MatchPoint connects with a variety of tools and platforms, which makes it a perfect addition to your existing stack. Whether you use Google Analytics, Slack, or even your CRM system, MatchPoint ensures smooth communication between apps, letting you manage everything in one place. For marketers, the AI-powered content generation is a game changer. It helps you craft personalized, high-quality copy in seconds. MatchPoint not only understands the context of what you're writing, but also adapts to your tone and voice. This makes it a huge time saver when creating email campaigns, landing pages, and social media content. Now, if you're concerned about security, MatchPoint has you covered. They've implemented cutting-edge security protocols to ensure that your data remains protected. From two-factor authentication to encryption, you can trust that your information is safe within their system. And the best part? You can try MatchPoint completely for free through the first link in the description below. So if you're curious to see what this AI tool can do for you without any risk, click that link and get started today. But before you rush to try it out, let's talk pricing. While MatchPoint is incredibly affordable, they also offer a range of tiers depending on how deep you want to dive into its features. The free plan will give you a taste, but to unlock the full potential, the premium options are definitely worth considering. In conclusion, MatchPoint might be one of the best AI tools to hit the market in recent months, and I'm excited to see how it evolves. If you've been looking for a solution that combines automation, AI-driven insights, and simplicity, MatchPoint is worth exploring. As always, I've linked my top recommended AI tools in the description below, so if you're trying to find the best software for your needs, make sure to check them out. I've tested thousands of AI tools, and these are the ones that stand out. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.